wanted to pose this question, but we continued to conversate because now it's starting to make sense because I was about to challenge you on that unwise decision that you made by getting the honorarium and you had to go pay your bills. You had to pay your house. I'm starting to see it more clearly now. But a lot of people will view that through the lens of manipulation because you must be honest and truthful that what you done in sowing that seed, we've been told for ages or for decades to sow your lost. And I would always view that as manipulation. Some of it was truth, but there was it should happen with a conviction that this is the Spirit leading you and not someone influencing you and manipulating you. So I want to caution our viewers, and I want you to just bring clarity that when you made that decision, it was not someone that was manipulating you.
Told me to do it. I already made the decision before I went even. I'm going to do it. And because I was in war with myself. I had to break the mentality of poverty. I didn't give it to get. I give it because I was convinced of my identity.
So you practice what you preach.
Exactly.